And here is a visualization for the simulation that you will find in Ladybug and Honeybee. These are scripts, already scripts that you can take and use. So here you need to hook up the zone data, which is the thermal load, total thermal load here, and the honeybee zones from the last component that has the materials. You can take it and hook it up here in the honeybee zones. So now I will So here, in order to see the zones colored, you need to make sure that the low bound and the high bound matches with the results coming out from your simulation. So if I started to look here, for example, in the plan, I can see that I have the low bound is 800 and the highest bound is 6400. So it's fine. We don't have a problem with this issue. So here I will choose. I will start removing this. This preview on here. I will turn it to preview off. So now you can see the zones, the floor is colored with the results of the map. And here you can preview on so that you have the whole zone colored with the energy use. So here, this is in terms of visualizing your model.